Hello designer, welcome to DesignCoach. In this video, we are arranging frames in our landing page. In the last video, we add the content via ChatGPT. You can watch my video, last one. So let's start. We arrange the frames in landing page. So we start with the grid. In the first, we have a header. So header have its own component. So we just click on it and add into the auto layout. After the auto layout, we just hang it to top and extend it to till our landing page. In this, we need to be arrange this space according to our grid. So we just add the left content padding. If you see, we can add just more padding. Okay, in the header part we have also some paddings content. In this we have a remove this one, and in the now we have a no padding. Okay, so we just go here in our main frames and edit here, zoom and 60 pixels. See, now in the left and right we can space 60 pixels to all. Now we can just name it here container. You can just name it to container. Now we have a hero sections. In this hero section we have a two content. We just select this both frame and convert into auto layout, and in this we are balancing space. I am using the 8 pixels rules, so I just 32, and with the shift move 1048 we need 72 pixel space from the header. Now we have this space, and from this we can just remove this one, and we want to be add one image in the whole section. Okay, by selecting this and also selecting this, I am convert this into add auto layout. After the adding auto layout, I just rename it hero section, and again I convert into auto layout. So we can just add the container. Here is the last one. I just bring it to top after the container of header. Now we just name it again container. Okay, in this container we just remove the total space and remove the top bottom space right now, and 60 pixels are left right. So we can just center it, and the total width we can extend it to our layout page. Okay, so here is the container sections for our hero sections, container frame for our hero section. In this we have a top bottom padding, so we can just add 72 pixels padding, so it will be near to our header. Okay, we just select the header and container, and here is 0. So now we have a hero section arrange. Again after that we have one line. Right now I just move it to top it here. Okay, now we have a about us sections. In the about us we just hide the grid. We have a one section, that one for image. I'm selecting this both and add into auto layout. After adding the auto layout, I will just extend the width of this frame and adding again into the with shift a auto layout. In this we just add the same name again container. Left right we need 60 pixels, and top bottom we need 72 pixels. and touch it to left and moving it to the till our layout. In the about section we have a another 3 feature section. So I just extend the layout and move it to down. In this we need to be select these 3 and add into auto layout. In between space we have a 24 pixels, as we have a gutter space between each column is 24. So by selecting this I just add the name pictures, Control X, and add into this our section, about section, and paste it. After pasting it will be show you on a horizontal layout. So now I want to be convert about section into vertical layout. I just convert into vertical. After adding its vertical, 2 elements have a different directions. So I select this both and add into auto layout, and this we need a vertical layout. So it will be show our section, and in between we need a content center align left. So in the about section we have features and about content. Here is the image and here is the our content. In between we have 135. So as we are following the 8 pixels rules, so we here add the 72 space between two section. So I just completed this about section with the container. So is this very helpful section. See, whenever you have to be move anywhere, you just select this and move up and move down. That's why we are creating the content and section. For now I just selecting this both and removing the extra space between. Okay, so here is our about section. Now we work on portfolio section. Selecting this portfolio head part. Okay, in this we have 2 frames. One is the title and one is the descriptions. In this title we need a align left and center. We have a 3 portfolio sections. There we can add images. Select this and add into auto layout. This auto layout will be our section. In this section we can just move it ahead and adding another auto layout, shift A. Okay, auto layout added. Now we need a left right 60 pixels and top bottom we need 72 pixels padding and align it to left. Now we have a container, so we can just extend this container till to our layout. Okay, here we updated, and now I just rename it container. Okay, and here's a section. Okay, I just open the grid and check it's aligned with our grid. In this we have a total 60 pixels and we can just add 72 pixel space. So here is our portfolio section, and selecting this both and removing space between just 0. So it will be 72 top and 72 bottom space. Now we have a testimonial sections. I just remove the divider from it, and testimonial sections we have a one heading and view all links and two testimonials. Selecting this both, and this one I just name it section and convert it into again auto layout. Converting auto layout, we just add 60 pixel top bottom and 72 pixel top bottom, arranging this layout till the layout. Okay, now in between we need no space, so I just add it to 0. In between we have a 6 or 59, I just add into 72 pixel space between. So here is our container for testimonial. Now we have a block section. Selecting this both and selecting this block content and add into auto layout and moving it to top. Okay, after adding this block section, I will check it again. Okay, and again I will add into the auto layout, shift A. Okay, converting it to auto layout, I will add the 60 pixels left, right, and top bottom. We need 72 pixel space and align it to left and converting into stretch until the our layout. I just open the grid so I can just check it's work better with our grid. Now I'm selecting this both, and in between space we have a 72 pixels. Okay, so now our block section will be arranged with auto layout, and I will name it container. Okay, in between space we need -6. Okay, we just remove this. Okay, now we have a call to action section. In this call to action section we can just select this section, and here is also container. Okay, we can just use the alternate name with section in between container. I already mentioned it here. In between we have some auto space and one frame for the title and one frame for the button. So I just click it to hug content, so it will be end till the our grid is working. Okay, now it's working good. After the call to actions we have a footer in the final section. So I just go here and click these frames. Okay, one is for the logo and description and one is for the links, and after selecting these I will convert it into again auto layout. Okay, and in this we can just name it footer, or you can just name it container. Okay, now I need a 60 pixel from the left, right, and top bottom we need 72. I just left align it with. Okay, in the between footer and CTA we need a 0 pixel space. In the CTA we add the extra 96 pixel because it will be look like clickable, so we just add a 96 pixel top bottom padding. Now the another footers, after the footer space we need to be decreased, so I just remove it. Okay, finally I update all the frames according our spacing. So I just go here and maintaining everything. Okay, the line between we have one. Okay, I just remove it. So if in the each section we have a divider line, so I am going to add a divider line between this. So I'm just draw one line and add. Okay, in between I just add one line, divider line we added into till we have a grids. Okay, this divider line we can add into auto layout. After adding into the auto layout we just remove the space paddings. Okay, and I just rename it divider line. Okay, all the sections are into the auto layout. Now I convert this entire page into auto layout, add into auto layout, so it will be work better. You can see there is a no space between. I just go here and selecting divider again, and divider will be in the absolute position. I just remove it from, and now checking where is the divider. Okay, here is our divider. I just click up to move into upside. After the hero sections we need, I just go here and fill container. See, the divider will be work here, and I just color it border. Okay, now we have one divider. I just duplicate with command D, duplicate here. We need again, we need to here, and divider we need again here. So here, hello, this page is completely aligned with now auto layout. See, if you can see the space and balancing, everything work better as our gutter space and as our 8 pixels grid rules. It will be work better in entire screen. So friends, thank you to watch my entire video. If you want a Figma file, it will be in the description. So if you like, please share my video and subscribe to my channel and comment in the below so I can make more video. It's encouraging to me. Thank you.